what's up, boys? I will be playing some Amongus today. Just like, don't question it, out of random. Yeah. Okay, bro. Alright, I'm gonna play some Amongus. Play online, find game. Okay, that was. I thought just go. Crewmate. Okay, decent. Engineer, nah. Okay, I'm just going to do some of my tasks. I'm going to electric, by the way. I'm gonna do my task. Oh, okay. Just skip. Imposter, alright. Yo, literally my name is Imposter. Where was the body? Oh, he said it was outside of the electric. Okay. I was like inside of electric, like I don't know. I'm just gonna vote skip. We skipped. Okay. Alright, let's just Yo, let me troll. Let me do some fake task. Yo. I wait. I'm gonna do some task. Some fake task. Oxygen depleted. Wait, I'm use this. Oh! I'm gonna crash out. Yes! Finally! Okay, somebody else died. I was doing my admin task before crisis. Admin, actually. There, I just wanted to check the recording. I'm going for orange, honestly. Orange was ejected. Okay. Yes. Okay, one imposter down. One more to go. Here's my electrical. Okay. Bro, let me do my task. Okay, big brain. All right. I need big brain. A big back energy. I think I should skip. I'm just trying to do my quest. Let me do my quest, okay? Yes, I completed my task. Oh, I need to go to reactor. Okay, I didn't even have. Oh my god. Do you have any I swear to God, I'm just gonna fuck it, we ball. I'm just gonna go random, bro. I do not know who this. Fuck it, we ball. Yes! GG. Wait, let me make thumbnail. Okay. Next game we go. I got beans. Yay! My brother, this guy's named Imposter. Oh, I'm Imposter. Oh my god. Oh, I'm Phantom. I think Phantom is the best. I'm a noob. Aight. Do I go for this guy? I'm just gonna. Okay, that was not me. Okay. My brother! No, this guy. No, he's an imposter. I need to get some clean kills. I'm looking. Okay, Michael is here. I'm venting. Okay. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. GG. Oh, GG. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm a noob. I just bought the Amongus today. Okay. GG. Wait, I'm gonna sabotage something. Yo, 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 yo. Let me sabotage O2. Wait, how do I sabotage? Far. No, no. What? Excuse me? Can somebody tell me how to sabotage? Oh, here's the reactor. Here's where the reactor is. Alright, I'm just gonna like skip to the next match. Alright. Bye.